My lab has been studying something called rheumatoid factors. And rheumatoid factors are antibodies that bind to other antibodies. And they're really common in a disease called rheumatoid arthritis, which is an autoimmune arthritis. And it's been thought for decades that it's basically the same rheumatoid factors across multiple different conditions. But the paper we're talking about today, what it found is that there are rheumatoid factors that develop in COVID-19 that are different than the rheumatoid factors found in rheumatoid arthritis, as well as different is rheumatoid factors in any other condition. And this may be helpful as we design diagnostics for different diseases. These rheumatoid factors are something we call polyreactive. And what polyreactive means is they can attach to lots of different things. And this is really interesting because one of the things that they can attach to is the spike protein from SARS-CoV-2. When people get COVID-19, some people are making these antibodies that bind to SARS-CoV-2 in addition to lots of other things, including other antibodies. And the last part of what we found is what seems to determine what these antibodies bind to is just 3 amino acids. And those 3 amino acids can be found in thousands of different proteins, suggesting that these antibodies can potentially bind to thousands of different things. 2 things that my lab is focused on now is trying to understand how these rheumatoid factors might be helpful in the immune response to the virus, as well as how potentially they could be harmful over time, leading potentially to autoimmune disease in some people.